Good morning, students. Today we do activity 4 word problem of lesson number 15 money. So let's start with the first word problem. First word problem is a calculator costs rupees 415.50 and you have to find the cost of 4 calculator. It means that cost of one calculator given. See, firstly understand how to write a statement. In the first line, what is written? A calculator cost. So it means we start the statement from cost of. Cost of a calculator. A means one calculator. So cost of one calculator is rupees 415.50. Rupees sign is mandatory because it is a money chapter. Then second line. Second line will be from the find word. Mean cost of 4 calculator. Student, when we are finding from 1 to many, in that case we always do multiply. And when we are finding from many to 1, we always do divide. So keep this thing in mind. Here, cost of one thing is given and you have to find of many. Many means 4 calculator cost you have to find. So what do? You will do multiply. So see how we do multiply and see the statement also. As I said you, firstly we write cost of one calculator, that is rupees 415.50. Then we write cost of 4 calculator, that is rupees 415.50 into 4. Now we will do multiply because we are finding many things cost. Clear? So what we do? 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20. So 2 we will write up. Now 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So I will write 2 here and another 2 will go on 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 4 fours are 16. Then come rupees sign. Now student, where I put a dot. See, firstly in the question, see, dot is after 2 digits. So we will put dot after 2 digits. We always see from the right hand side. So see 1, 2. So dot will come here after 2 zeros. Clear? Now hence line. Hence line is the last line. Hence the cost of 4 calculator is rupees 11662. Clear student? Now student, we do question number 2. Question number 2 is Rajat earns rupees 1175.50 rupees every week. Means how much earning of Rajat in 1 week? Rupees 1175.50. So we write earning of Rajat of 1 week like this manner. Then they said how much money will he earn in 1 month? Means 1 month. So firstly you must know in 1 month how many weeks. In 1 month there are 4 weeks. So we write 1 month is equals to 4 weeks. Then we write earning of Rajat of 4 weeks. So again it is of 1 to many. So what will you do? You will do multiply. 4 zeros are 0. 4 fives are 20. So 2 will go on next 5. 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So you write 2 here and next 2 will go on 7. Then 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So 0 will come here and 3 will go on 1. Then 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 4 ones are 4. So answer will be rupees 4702. Then 0.00 because dot come after 2 digit and it should be from the right. So see 1 2. So 1 2 you put a dot over here. Clear? Then you write hence line. Hence line is the last line. Hence Rajat earns rupees 4702 in 4 weeks. 4 weeks means 1 month. Clear? Now we do third word problem. Third word problem is my mother paid rupees 962 for 4 shirts. Now money mother paid for 4 shirts. So in this case many to 1 is given. So what you do? Divide. What is the cost of each shirt? Each means you have to find of one shirt. So here also cost we are talking about. So we write the statement like this manner. Cost of 4 shirts. Then we write cost of 1 shirt. And we do divide here. Clear? So see. Cost of 4 shirts we write. Then we write cost of each shirt. Each means 1 shirt. Then we do divide. Firstly see how we do divide. 4 table we see which number comes smaller than 9 and closer to 9, that is 8. 4 2s are 8. So 2 we write in the quotient and 8 down of 9. Then we minus it. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now 1 is smaller than 4. What do? You take 6 from up. It becomes 16. Now you see which number come closer to 16. That is 16 only. 4 4s are 16. So you write 4 in quotient and 16 down of 16. Then you do minus. When you minus it, 0 come. Now you will take down 2. Now you see which number come in 4 tables smaller than 2. That is 0 because 4 zeros are 0. So you write 1 0 in quotient and 1 0 down of 2. Then you minus it. It will come 2. But you know that in statement quotients always remainder should come 0. So what do you do here? Students, you do put a dot here in a dividend and one dot in the quotient. Clear? After dot you can take 0. Clear? So after dot I will take 0 in the dividend and this 0 will come down. It will becomes 20 now. Now you have to see in 4 table 20 come at the 5s. So here you write 5 and 20 down of 20. Then you minus it. Then answer come. Hence the cost of each shirt is rupees 240.50. Clear? Now we do question number 4. It is same like question number 3 only. I bought 6 bedsheet. Bought word is there. So it means that cost of 6 bedsheet given, that is rupees 1263. You have to find off cost of each bedsheet. Each means one bedsheet. So what do you do here? Many to 1. You will do divide here. So see. Firstly, we write a statement as I told you. Cost of 6 bedsheets. Then cost of 1 bedsheet or each bedsheet is the same thing. Then you divide it. 6 table 12 come at 2s. So you write 2 in the quotient. Then 12 down of 12 minus it. Then 0 is smaller than 6. What do? You take 6 down. 6 table 6 come at 1s. So you write 1 here and 6 down of 6. You will minus it. Then 0 will come. You will take 3 down. Now 6 table you see which number comes smaller than 3. That is 0. So you put 0 here and 1 0 down of 3. Minus it, 3 come. Now what do? You take a 1 dot in the dividend. And after dot you can take 0 also. And 1 dot you have to put in the quotient also. Now it become 30 now. 6 table 30 come at 5s. So you write 5 here and 30 down of 30. Minus it. You will get answer. Hence the cost of each bed sheet is rupees 210.50. Clear? Or 5. It's the same thing. Now we do question number 5. It is very easy and everybody is able to do also. Statement is so simple. From the question you can take cost of a ball. A means one ball. Is means is equals to rupees 28.50. Then the cost of 15 balls. What do? One to many you are going. So you do multiply here. So see, cost of one ball you write. Then you write cost of 15 ball. 28.50 into 15. Then you multiply it. Firstly you have to multiply by 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. So you write 5 down of 5 and 2 on 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. So you write 2 here and 4 on 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So you write 14 here. Clear? Now when you go to next number, firstly you have to put a cross. Then you have to multiply by 1. 1 zeros are 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2. You have to multiply as you have done simple multiplication. We will put a dot after multiplication. Clear? 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5 because whenever we plus any number in 0, we get same number. 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 8 is 12. So you write 1 above it. 2 1 1 you plus you get 4. So answer will be hence the cost of 15 balls is rupees 427.50. Clear students? Now 6th question. 10 kg of mangoes cost. It means we are talking about cost. So this time student, cost of 10 kgs mangoes is given and you have to find a cost of 1 kg mango. What do? Many to 1 you are going. So you do divide here. So firstly we write cost of 10 kg of mangoes. Then we write cost of 1 kg of mangoes. Then we divide it. In 10 table we see which number come smaller than 45. 10 table 40 come at 4. So we write 4 in the question and 40 down of 45. We will minus it. When we minus it, 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 is smaller than 10. What I do? I will take 0 down. It becomes 50. 10 table 50 come at 5. So we write 5 in the question and 50 down of 50. We minus it. Remainder comes 0. Now we write a hence line. Hence line is the last line. Hence the cost of 1 kg of mango is rupees 45. Clear, student? Now we do last question. Question number 7 is 32 children went to see the book fair. Means where they went? In the book fair. Book fair you see in the school also. So many times book fair school organized. Now, so they have spent rupees 480 to purchase the ticket. Means how much money they spent? 480 rupees. So how much did one ticket cost? So we are talking about cost. So statement will be start from cost. So firstly 32 student went. So we write cost of 32 tickets is rupees 480. Then we write cost of each ticket. Each ticket means one ticket. For one ticket, many to one, what do? You do divide. So 480 you have to divide by 32. Now you take 32 out and 480 inside. In 32 table, you will see which number come closer to 48. 32 ones are 32. 32 twos are 64. 64 is bigger than 48. So you take 32 ones are. So 1 you write in the question and 32 down of 48. Minus it. 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now in 32 table, 16 is smaller. So what do? You take 0 down. It become 160. Now you see 32 table, which number come closer to 160? That is 160 only. So you write 5 in the question. 32 5s are 160. Minus it. Answer will come 15. You write, hence the cost of one ticket is rupees 15. Clear, students? In this manner you will do activity 4. Clear?